Pro Scores features more music than you can shake a stick at. And I'm talking about a pretty big freaking stick. Progressive drums that intensify with every beat, and we're not talking about vegetables. Although, we do recommend 3 to 5 servings per day. Inspirational tracks. I'm using these in a movie about a one-armed cop who fights crime twice as hard because he doesn't know any other way. I love that guy. He's the toughest guy on the force. He can't be bought. He won't stop fighting. And don't even think about trying to handcuff him. It won't work. This summer, get ready for the best movie of the fall. One man's incredible journey that's as crazy as it is unlikely. Just remember, keep your hands and feet inside the theater at all times and secure all personal items, as most theaters do not accept responsibility for lost or stolen goods. All sales are final, void where prohibited. And don't forget to visit the lobby when you go see Armed and Dangerous, starring Sam Loya. Oh, and Catherine Zeta-Jones. She'll be in it too, most likely. Sorry about that, got a little carried away. Back to it, there's also hundreds of sound design elements and musical effects. Pro Scores. Cinematic music design tools.